Hi viewers, I'm your friend Mr. X from your favorite YouTube channel Planet X. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bootable USB flash drive for Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, you need a USB flash drive, minimum 4 GB capacity. So you just need to plug in your PC or laptop. After plugging in your USB flash drive, you just need to format it, and after that let's start our tutorial. And now we are going to desktop again. Here you can see that we need two things. One is the Kali Linux ISO file and the other one is the Rufus software. The links are given below in the descriptions from where you can download the Kali Linux ISO file and the Rufus software. So I'm going to show you how to download it. You just need to click on the description first link. Here you can see the description is on and the link is opened. So just you need to click on the download button, that is the green box on your right top side of the web. So now we are opening the second web, which is for the Rufus, which is for the Kali Linux software ISO file. As you can see, there are many types of ISO files, 64-bit, 32-bit. So I'm gonna download a 64-bit Kali Linux file. Here it is 2.8 GB. You just need to click on the torrent if you want to download from the torrent, or you can directly download it from the direct web. As viewers, you can see I have already downloaded the Rufus file and the ISO file. So you just need to open the Rufus software. Here you can see the Rufus software will automatically detect your USB flash drive. As you can see, my flash drive is already detected. As you can see, I'm going to click on the select button. After that, you just need to select the ISO file from your computer. So I'm going to select it. Now you just need to click on the start button. Yeah, and click on the yes. So here we started. So viewers, it will take some time to load. So in this time I will tell you about the Kali Linux operating system. So what is the Kali Linux operating system? Many people think that it's an illegal operating system, but actually it's legal. It's become only illegal if you do something illegal work with the Kali Linux operating system. Actually, Kali Linux is a heaven of hackers. It got so many useful tools for the hackers, and you can use it in many ways. I will show you how to use these tools at the end of the video. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause it. So viewers, I'm back. Here you can see that my software is ready. Rufus software is telling me that your USB drive is ready to use, so I'm just going to close it. Just click on the close button. Now you just need to unplug it and just plug it again. Here I'm going to unplug it. Yes. And now as you can see that I'm going to plug it again. Here now as you can see my USB is now bootable. I'm going to turn off my PC, and then I will show you how it works in the live mode. So viewers, I'm going to turn it off and restart my PC. Here you can see, restart it, and my PC is now restarting. I'm just restarting it to check my boot. To get the boot, you have to click on the escape button. Some computers use F12 button, F10 or F2. So you can select any type of button. Now you can see here's my boot and I'm just trying to access it. Now it's processing and it's the Kali Linux operating system. Now I just want to tell you about something that one of my friend asked me, that what is the live mode of Kali Linux. So my brother, it's the live mode of Kali Linux. If you want to install the Kali Linux properly, then you will graphical install it. if you click on it, you need lots of more storage and many more spaces. I will suggest you to click on the live mode because it's not need it don't need a much more storage. So just click on it. It's processing. I think live mode is better than the graphical install. And it's processing and processing and processing. It will take a short time, as you can see. Again and again and again it's processing. So viewers, it's just taking a short time, and I think it's quite near to be processed. It's very close. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Come on. And viewers, here we go. It's the Kali Linux operating system. Here you can see its outlook. And now I'm gonna tell you something about its tools, its applications and its tools. Here you can see it's the password attack, wireless attacks, reverse engineering, explosion tools, and lots of many other tools, etc. So you can use these tools for your hacking purposes. It will make your hacking much more easier than your thoughts. So I will request you to like my video. If you just like my video, so click on the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.